Hello everyone, and thank you for joining me in another video. Now today on Vanessa's dinner table we're going to be making collard greens. Alright, so you want to take your smoked turkey necks and your collard greens. If you buy the bushel, give them a good wash. Even if you buy the packaged one like I did here, you still want to give them a good wash. So right here I'm just using this pot right here, and I'm going to take my turkey necks and place them at the bottom of the pan, which I should have did that first, but it's all the same. I'll get it in there. Alright, so after placing your turkey neck and your collard greens in your pot, you want to put in either broth or water. Now this is the pan I actually use during Christmas and Thanksgiving, but right here we're just going to use this pot. So I use water, but like I said, you can use chicken broth as well. But I believe once you get the turkey necks cooking and the seasonings all coming together, it's all the same to me. So go ahead and let that cook on a medium-high heat, just to let it cook down. So right here, that's when I start to season, because trying to do it when everything is so high and out of the pan, the seasonings may spill all over. So right here I added 3 tablespoons of vinegar. I add some pepper flakes in there and some pepper. And I also use seasoning salt. And I also put in an onion. I forgot to say that part. And right here I used about a half a cup of brown sugar. So after you give that a good mix, you want to put it on a medium heat and let it cook for about a good 2 hours. Alright, so that's what I did here. And then once they're all done, you go ahead and serve it. Nice and juicy and mouth-watering southern style greens. Alright, the turkey neck is falling off the bone and they're juicy, they're not dry. And that's it. It's so simple and easy. And that's all. Alright, so thank you so much for watching this video. And if you like this video and if it was helpful, please leave it in the comments. And remember to put God first in all that you do.